Thank you very much for all these things. God bless you.
Stay tuned. And most of all, Mannix Robinson. Yeah, man. So, I was showing you what I go on with Mannix Robinson. You hear that? Him go on with that thing. I'm going to expose him right now. Watch what I go on.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Mannix Robbins TV, and I am back at it again. Thanks for tuning in one more time guys. Thank you for your continual support. Much love, much blessing to all the channel members, subscribers, viewers. Really appreciate your guys' continued support. But anyway guys, we're gonna go right into it today. So you already saw the thumbnail and you saw the introduction and you're very curious of what is this video all about. So this what's going on. The other day it's like I was home and it was like around 3 to 4 a.m. in the morning, and I was up and I just jumped on YouTube, and you know, out of the blues I saw this video pop up, and I said let me check it out. So I click on the video and I watch it, and it was a Rasta youth in Jamaica washing his mom here, who is also a Rasta. So I looked down at the bottom and I saw the name of the channel, and the name of the channel is Mackie Lifestyle Jamaica. I think that is the name. Some people mix it up and call it Mickey, but I think it's Mackie Lifestyle JA. And I say okay, so I start, I click back on the video and I start watching it, and I was there watching the youth, how the youth was washing his mother here. And guys, tears start come on my eyes. Tears start come on my eyes. The video captivated me so much guys. Literally, tears start come on my eyes me I watch the video. And I didn't even finish watch the video guys. I didn't even finish watch the video. I came out and I went into his description and I saw he had a phone number. And I jot down the phone number, and immediately I called the bro. No, I sent him a message to ask him, can I give you a call? And he sent back and said, yeah man, you can give me a call. So I called him and I said, bro, I was just watching your video man, and bro, your video with what you're doing for your mother touch me heart, bro. Touch me heart. You see it, and I know, and I said it to him, and I know what you're doing, you're not doing it for you too, because I can see the genuine love and respect that you have for your mother within the video where they do. I don't know, I'm pretending that, and I feel it. I feel it to my heart, bro. I feel it to my heart. I'm saying, me there to talk to you right now, me I cry, tear waters there, my eye if you see the way, you treat your mother with love and respect. And I said to him, I say, me ship her some stuff for Jamaica, and mother want give you some stuff for your mother, but right now, my father was a Rasta, and I know that certain stuff my father they use in here, certain chemical stuff my father they use in here, and me send off some barrel down at Jamaica, and me no really have no items in there which me know say your mother would have used, because me can see say you guys is a Rasta family, Rasta tradition thing, and my father was a Rasta, and because me know how the thing said, me no want violate or disrespect you or anything. So guess what? Me I go pick up some natural products to your mother. And that me can do, you see, because me already ship off some stuff in ship off some stuff at Jamaica. Me I go pick up I'm going to pick up some natural care products for your mother. And him say, yeah man, no problem, Mr. Mannix. I really appreciate that man. Bam, yeah man, thank you. And guys, Yo, this was Friday. It was a Friday. And me tell, and this was a Friday morning. Me supposed to fly out this Saturday. Me not even tell him say me I come to Jamaica. Me just tell him say, yo, me I go pick up some stuff for your mother, and yo, me I go make you get them by any means necessary. I want me tell him, you know. I want me tell Mackie. Me say, yo, me I go make you. Me don't make your mother get this stuff. Me don't make you get this stuff then for your mother. Me say, yo, give me till Wednesday. That time, I didn't tell him say, yo, I'm traveling to Jamaica. Which a lot of my subscribers, them and viewers and channel members, them probably know say, yo, man is fly out go to Jamaica, man is not even mention nothing. But guys, yo, sometimes I say you have to do your thing, you see it. You just roll in and roll out. So I said to Mackie, I said, yo, I'm gonna pick up some ear care, I'm gonna pick up some personal care stuff for your mother, because I know all the things set, because my late father was a Rasta, and I know his tradition and some stuff I roll by, and me have to know say, yo, because me know the thing, me know how you and your mother roll with your thing. So let me don't go up on the street and go shopping for some products which me know say, yo, your mother can use, you see it. So guys, early Friday morning, this is a 1 day before me fly out, you know guys. This is just not even 1 day, a couple hours before me fly out. Suitcase pack. My suitcase pack already, guys. Believe me, my suitcase pack with items that I'm gonna already. Me and my wife came together for giveaway in Jamaica. Suitcase pack. And I went to the supermarket and I pick up some stuff. And guys, majority of the products them I pick up, them over £1. Them heavy. And my suitcase already the clock at £50. Yo, I went to the supermarket and I pick up some items, and I say, yo, me even screenshot them and show him and say, yo, what you think about this? He say, yeah man. He say, yo, what you think about this? He say, yeah man. He say, yo, what you think about this? He say, yeah man. I pick up some more items and bring them home. Guys, put them in a suitcase go over £50. Suitcase the clock almost £60. I say, Father God, what this? So I say, yo, a promise is a promise, you know. And I promise a thing to the mother. I say, yo, me I go do it, you know, guys. Me go in my suitcase and I take out some of my stuff them. Take out some little food stuff what me have in my suitcase, and take out some clothes and say, yo, the man have to get them something here for your mother. And this is Friday, you know, guys. I'm flying out Saturday morning. I supposed to wake up at 2 o'clock to hit the road to go get the plane to fly out to Jamaica and get everything, adjust the weight of the suitcase, take out what we take out, pack in what we pack in. And guys, touch down in Jamaica, call him and say, yo bro, that time he not even right, that time Mackie not even know say me in Jamaica, call him. Cause me not even, I didn't even tell him say me in Jamaica. I didn't even tell him say, yo bro, I'm in Jamaica. I only told him say, yo, you go get this stuff them by Wednesday, this is the following week. And guys, touchdown in Jamaica. Stuff them in my bag. Reach home, take out what we take out, get a box, start packaging up. Head to Northfoot Express, pay for shipping and everything, and send off here and call him and say, yo, this is the code for your stuff. This is the code for the stuff them send off. So just look out for you. Just keep an eye on it. This time the man not even know say me in Jamaica. I am talking to Mackie, and Mackie not even know say me in Jamaica. You see, and him get the stuff them and he make a video and say, yo bro, he say yo, Mr. Manix, respect, you know. He say respect. And I say, yo, I saw the thing go, because yo, I see the love we have for you, man. And I say, yo, out of the liquor what we do, out of the liquor what we have, we still can bless somebody. We still can bless somebody. Guys, I don't have it, you know. I tile it, I clean in America for your living, you know. tile it. I clean, tile it. Tile it, I clean in America. I clean people. BD, I clean people. PP, I clean behind people. I mop up, I mop up, I wipe up, I vacuum. That's what I do in America for a living. And that not stop me from doing good. And out of the little that God give me, out of the little what me work from the job that I do, bless up me, bless up me, bless a family, bless a lady. You see it? And I say the brother appreciate the thing what me do. And God and blessing and prosperity upon him and him family and him mother. You see it? Guys, sometimes we are waiting on the big move or the big money or when we think we reach at the top we do good. Yo, sometimes we have to do good out of the little what we have. We have to do little. We have to start do good out of the little what we have. Don't wait in when the big money come. Because some of us we're not gonna get the big money. Some of us a lot of us we're gonna dead poor. You see it out of the little what we have. If we are not faithful in the little, how can we be faithful in the much? You see it. But Mackie, bless up yourself, bro. I saw the thing go. You know, I love to see how you love your mother and the way you take care of your mother and the way you treat your mother. And for see the patience what you have with your mother, if you know, so you could have be there if you wash your mother here and all of them the stuff there. And I know within myself say I don't pretend you weren't pretending, bro. It was genuineness and don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. The man that honor his mother and his father, his days will be long on the earth, man. Just keep on doing the good work, bro. You see it? Keep on doing the good work. Father God, I see what you are do, bro. You see it? Father God, see what you are do. And don't get weary in well doing. Don't get weary in well doing. Bless up yourself, Mackie Lifestyle JA. You see it? Much love, much respect to you. Much love, much respect to us, so to your mama, you know. Blessing and prosperity to us, so long life, healing and prosperity in our latter days. You see it? Keep on doing the good thing, bro. That's how we do it. Alright? So guys, thanks for tuning in one more time to the channel. That's how we do it. Guys, I know that some of us, a lot of us say we want to do good and we're waiting until when some of us are waiting on the right time. There will never be a right time, man. There will never be a right time. If you are waiting for the right time, that right time will never come. The moment is now. You see it. If you can't give a man a piece of bread, give a man a piece of bread. If you can't give a man a shoes, give a man a pair of shoes. If you can't give a man a shirt, give a man a shirt. If you can't give a man a toothpaste or a deodorant, give a man. If you can't give a man a dollar, give a man a dollar. You see it? Because sometimes we wait for the big whack or the big lion share if it come. And a lot of us are going dead before the lion share come. Believe me. Serious thing. Alright? So guys, thanks again for tuning in one more time to the channel. Mackie, bless up yourself. Guys, check out this channel. Guys. Go over there, show him some support. Tell him that Manix Robinson sent you. I would really appreciate it. Alright? Have yourself a blessed one. And guys, keep on watching the channel. We have a lot of contents getting ready to push out from my vacation in Jamaica. Alright, stay tuned for more to come. Peace and love, blessing and prosperity from Manix Robinson TV and the Manix Robinson TV family. Much love and respect every time. Bye bye.
Yeah, man, so I show no what go on with Manix Robinson. You hear that? Him go on with that thing. I'm going to expose him right now. Watch what go on. Yeah, me peep, so Manix Robinson, one day me down me yard and the man call me after 4. Man say, what time I'm yai after I'm done watch my video. And me I watch my mom here. And I say, boy, Rasta, that touch me deep. So him say, boy, I want to donate some hair products to her, you know. So this is it right now, you know. Him send the package, and I went and I collected it. So now I'm gonna unbox it and let you see what's popping. Yeah, man, that is it. Yes, my people. So this is first one is a Garner whole blends coconut oil and cocoa butter and smoothing shampoo. You see me? Yeah, man. This is one. This is another cocoa butter and body lotion. A nice one again. Put them down so. And then a toothpaste. You don't know, a crest, baking soda whitening. See me? It's a nice shea butter soap, you see me? Nice shea butter soap. Over here, so now, milk and honey, gentle body wash. You see it? It's a blue magic coconut oil air conditioner. See it there. Last but not least, the conditioner for the shampoo. Same whole blends, you know? Yeah, man. So that is it. The box is empty. I want to say give thanks to all the products. Yeah, man, I want to say give thanks to all the products that you sent to me. So, Manix Robinson, so big up yourself. One love. And don't know. Give thanks to none. Sorry if I make water come my eye and I see me do them things about. Yeah, them things they're natural, you see me? Yeah, man, the things they're natural to me every day, right? Last time I came out down here and I kiss her up on her jaw for 10 times and I sleep. I'm going to say, oh, this and here I know. Milk time. I'm going to say, sure? She say, yes, I see you. I saw you. And her eyes are open, you know? And she was smiling and I sleep. Just a laugh. You just want my heart to feel so good, you know?
Thank you very much for all these things. God bless you.